Guys, that wasn't just a clickbait thumbnail. I really did bust my screen door out with what? I know I blurted out. A pair of my daughter's rubber boots, of all things. Here in Kentucky, it got really cold yesterday. We got some snow, about 8 inches of snow. And I went out to the vehicle to get these rubber boots for the wife. And I come to the bottom of the porch here and did not throw them. I actually tossed them and just tossed them like that up on the porch and said, "Here, Renee's those shoes." And about that time, the corner of that shoe hit the bottom edge of that screen door and it completely shattered and just fell all to pieces. You can see here, I've got most of it cleaned up now using my shop vac as a bucket. Pulled the top of it out and it makes a great bucket to move stuff around with. I'm going to finish shoveling this up and I'm going to try to sweep all this up. And if you guys have any tips on how to get glass between these cracks or whatever, or off of your porch, because if anybody's ever stepped on a piece of glass, you know how bad that hurts. I have young children and I'm going to try to clean it as best I can, all the cracks and crevices with a shop vac, but I don't know of any way to tell if I missed any. It's not like metal, you can't take a magnet or anything to it. But I went last night to Lowe's and throwing those boots up here instead of walking them to the wife cost me $142. Pretty expensive mistake, but things happen. It was an accident. I wasn't throwing them in rage. It was just a gentle toss up on the porch, but you know, things happen. But anyway, it's going to make a great video, and leave a comment below on how crazy you think I am for busting my own window out. Really don't know why that had to happen, but it happened. Thank the Lord, it's a beautiful day and looking like it's going to be in the 60s and 70s this coming week. Let's get this thing changed out, guys. So guys, as you can see, this has got staples holding that vinyl on, which is stupid. And I'm struggling just to pull it off. I was going to try to just put the door on the actual old frame, but this door is 1 inch thick, the frame is, and the new door is about 3/4 of an inch. And it just wouldn't seal right with the hinges and stuff, so I got to pull all this vinyl around the door off, turn it into a bigger job than what I thought it was going to be, but it's usually how it works out. But I'm gonna get this vinyl ripped off and then I'll get you guys back on the video. So guys, just go ahead and reveal it to you. That screen door frame is a one-piece assembly with that front door. I'm not putting that one of those junky screen doors back in this house, because if that thing breaks that easy, I don't want it here. One of my kids would have broke it and been standing there, it could have really hurt them bad. It shattered and fell just down. So we had to go get a new front door, and this door is 1.5 inches taller than the door that was in there, so I got to address that somehow. And we'll put the new screen door that we got on this new door, and that was pretty rough to get that thing out. But now we're going to try and see if we can get this opening big enough, this same width, but for some reason that door is 1.5 inches shorter, and I didn't want to special order a door. I wanted to just get something Lowe's had in stock. So let's get into it, guys, and put you on time lapse. guys, we're going to call that a wrap on this video. We ended up going from just installing a screen door to having to put a front door in, because the way that window, the screen door was made to the frame of the door that was in. This replacement screen doors just wouldn't work on it, so we had to end up cutting out the header and redoing it, and it's just been a lot of work. The only thing I like is doing the trim on the inside, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up right here. We got everything pressure washed and looking nice. If you would go down there and smash that like button for me. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you can catch our future videos. And I don't know about you guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but the little girl got me wet while ago with the pressure washer. So if you would, leave a comment and let us know what you think about the video. I appreciate you guys and love each one of you. God bless.